Hey everyone, 8-Bit Diva here. So a quick Davinci Resolve tip again, this time for when you're importing audio into your timeline. You might come across instances where you're only hearing the noise in the left ear or the right ear, depending mono rather than stereo. So a really quick fix. So go to your timeline, you'll notice here that I'm in the edit section as well, so make sure you're in that. Select the audio clip that you're wanting to turn to stereo. Right click on it. Go to Clip Attributes. There you'll see that it's in mono. Hopefully if it's stereo then there's another issue, but it should be in mono. Change it to stereo. Really important, make sure that the mute section there is changed in embed to channel 1 as well. So then you've got the left and the ear and it's changed to stereo. Anyway, a really quick fix for you, something that I found really useful and hopefully will help many of us out there too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, you know what to do anyway. Cheers. Bye.